everyone. So today we're going to talk about some common login issues your employees may face. So when your employees are signing in and they've forgotten their password or their username, they can click these respective links and they can enter in their email address and their mobile phone number in order to reset their password or to get their username. Resetting your password, of course, will require them to enter in an authorization code. Now, let's say you get a message from your employees saying that they still can't log in. What do? So the first thing you'd like to do is search the employee of interest. I hit go under step 2 and I'm typing in the employee's name. Now I'm going to click on the employee. And the first thing I'd like to do is to check if they have an email or a phone number. They need one of these two in order to use the resetting services described earlier. Now, if they have neither of these two, like this employee, what you can do is you can click the edit button to enter in the relevant information. Now, let's look at another employee that does have an email to see some of the other issues that may arise. So as you can see, this employee does have an email. So we're going to click the login button. We can see that the employee's username is Cynthia C. Now you want to make sure the employee is using this username. A common error is that employees have the wrong username, but they're thinking they have the wrong password, so they keep resetting the password while using the wrong username. The second thing you'd like to check is whether the employee is locked out due to multiple incorrect attempts. If this is the case, the employee will see a message in red when trying to log in, indicating that they're locked out due to these incorrect attempts. Simply click Remove the Lock to rectify this issue. The last thing you'd like to check is if the employee is using a third-party social authentication provider. If that's the case, it will say here. Some examples are Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. If this is the case, you'd like to make sure the employee is using this third-party social authentication provider in order to log in. On one last note, employees may have multi-factor authentication enabled as well. This simply means that the employee must use multiple devices, frequently their phone, in order to log in as well. This doesn't affect you as the administrator. So that's pretty much it. Those are some common login issues and how to resolve them, and I hope this has been helpful.